Hey, I'm Roby, your AI helper. I'm here to simplify complex workplace topics, which is ironic because my code is an absolute mess. Struggling to navigate Ceridian Dayforce without feeling like you need a degree in HR software? You're not alone. But once you understand how it works, Dayforce becomes a powerful all-in-one platform for managing your workforce. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to use Dayforce, from logging in to running payroll, so you can stop guessing and start getting things done. Let's start with the big picture. Ceridian Dayforce is a cloud-based human capital management platform. That means it combines HR, payroll, benefits, workforce management, and talent management into a single real-time system. No more switching between tools or syncing data manually. Here's how to use it, step by step. Step 1. Logging in and navigating the dashboard. Once you're logged into Dayforce, you'll land on the home screen, which shows your key info at a glance: pay stubs, schedule, time off, tasks, and more. The navigation bar usually runs along the side or top, depending on your company setup. Step 2. Viewing and managing your profile. Click into your profile to view or update personal information, like your address, emergency contacts, or tax forms. You can also view your employment history, benefits enrollment, and other HR details here. Step 3. Clocking in and out for hourly employees. The time and attendance section is where you'll clock in and out. Use the punch button, enter your location if required, and confirm. You can also view your timesheet and submit corrections if something's off. Step 4. Managing schedules and time off. Need to check your upcoming shifts or request vacation? Head to the scheduling or time away sections. You can view your schedule, swap shifts if enabled, and submit PTO requests. Then track their approval status. Step 5. Accessing pay and tax information under the pay section. You can view current and past pay stubs, see gross versus net earnings, and download tax forms like your W-2. It's also where you can update direct deposit details or tax withholdings if your admin allows it. Step 6. Benefits enrollment and management during open enrollment or onboarding. Go to the benefits section. You'll walk through your available options: medical, dental, vision, retirement, and can compare plans side by side before making your selections. Step 7. Using Dayforce on mobile. The Dayforce mobile app lets you do most of the above on the go. Clock in, check your schedule, request time off, and get notified about approvals or reminders. It's especially handy for frontline workers or managers needing quick access. Step 8. Manager tools, if applicable. If you're a manager, Dayforce gives you tools for approving time off, scheduling shifts, viewing team attendance, and even launching performance reviews, all from one dashboard. To recap, Ceridian Dayforce is designed to simplify workforce management by putting payroll, scheduling, benefits, and HR data in one place. Whether you're an employee checking your hours or a manager approving PTO, it's all just a few clicks away. Want to build a personalized, no-code AI agent that delivers instant knowledge? Check out our demo to see Guru's custom knowledge agents in action. And if you've used Dayforce or have questions about it, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical guides like this.